Hi everyone, Kat here. Tonight I'm making some roasted rice powder. What I have here is 3 cups of sweet rice, glutinous sweet rice. Okay, make sure it's sweet rice. And just roasting it in a pan by itself on medium heat right now. Once the rice starts to warm up a little bit, you want to go ahead and switch it to low heat because you don't want to have the rice burnt. Okay. And then you just want to continue to do this, stirring constantly until you get it to your right roasting preference. All right. Okay, guys, this is about 18 minutes in. And this is a light roast. If you're going for a light roast, this is what it should look like. Okay. So it does take a while to get to your desired roast. And I'm going for a medium roast, so it's going to take a little bit longer. But yeah, this is the light roast right now. So this took about 35 minutes for a medium roast on low heat. This is what it looks like for medium roast. If you want it darker than this, you most certainly can go ahead and let it roast longer. Just keep in mind that the darker the roast, the more aromatic it's going to be also, okay? But I'm going for medium roast, so this is done. I'm going to set this aside, turn off the heat, and let this completely cool down before I do the next step. Okay, once it cooled down, after it's cooled down, you want to go ahead and blend it up or grind it up. I have a Vitamix blender that works great. You can use a regular blender or a coffee grinder, that will work as well. Okay, so let's get it blended. Should be a powdery flakes like this, okay? Now we're gonna just put into a jar. And this can be good up to 6 months. I don't recommend it after 6 months because it tends to have this oily smell to it after 6 months. So you can make this and store it in just your cabinet for 6 months. And voila! Roasted rice powder. This is the medium roast. I also made some light roast. See the difference, the color? One's more darker and the other one's lighter. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.